Hello and welcome to Core Finance, and my guest Craig Erlam, the Senior Markets Analyst at Oanda. So welcome to the programme.
Thank you.
And we're going to look at the Aussie dollar, Aussie US dollar. So tell me what's going on here.
Yeah, we've just had a nice little break. We were seeing a lot of upside, obviously, from really July onwards. Well, actually, it's really started back in May, but we kind of broke to new highs back in July. And once we got through 80, we've really struggled to hold above 80 on quite a few occasions now. So it was already starting to look toppy. And I think I mentioned it a few weeks ago in one of these videos as well, around those 80 levels. It was looking quite toppy. And it just seems we've had repeated confirmation since then. And there's potential for more downside still to come. So we're very much in the midst of a move here. We had the break of the previous lows around the 78.70s. Then we had a break of what could be called a neckline of a big double top. That came around the 78s. And then we run into support. Like, it's a very nice technical chart. I think that's what I really like about this. You run into support around this previous resistance region, around 77, 77.50. And now we've had a test of that previous low. And we've got what looks like a nice inverted hammer, shooting star, candle forming around those levels. Now, of course, this is a daily chart, so we've got to see how it looks at the end of the day. There is potential for a broader retracement, but if we end the day at around these kind of levels, then it would suggest that we're looking nice a little bit, a lot more bearish here, and there's potential for more downside and only a very brief correction. So I'd like to say, what I just really like about this chart is it still looks bearish first and foremost, but it's just a very nice technical chart.
It's sitting on those consolidation lines, and what we're really looking for is that break to the downside, and that's the confirmation, yeah?
Exactly. That break is 77, and I think we're looking back towards that 76. You've got the 200 to 233-day simple moving averages there, but ultimately, I do think we can go lower than that. I do think we could be looking back towards the kind of 75s quite comfortably.
Really interesting trading opportunity.
Absolutely.
Thank you.